Hey you guys, Hishitori here, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I am like 2 weeks or so late coming in with a happy new year. Yay! We made it to 2026. Woo! Everybody clap it up. It has been so long, like a month and over. Damn. That I've done like a video. So hello, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to be giving tips and tricks on how I learned anatomy. For beginners, of course. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. Oh, and don't forget to share to your friends. Okay, so these are my steps that how I learned how to draw anatomy, but I'm also doing something a little different this year. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. But I am trying to learn more on anatomies. Most of my artworks you have seen thus far on my channel have been just free-minded. I do tend to go on Google and look up certain poses and stuff, or I just go off the top of my head. But I feel like I can improve a little bit better. So I am here to help you guys do the same thing. So recently on Christmas, I got these little items as a gift. I got these little models, male and female models to use, and along with their how-to booklets. And then another anatomy booklet, pretty small, not a lot of pages, so I decided to take it a step further and buy me like more bigger books with more details and instructions on how I learned anatomy. I'm pretty sure y'all came across like a tutorial booklet like this. I have came across it years ago before, but at the time I did not have a job, so I wasn't working. But yeah, so now I felt like at the age that I am, I feel like maybe I can improve on it since I'm not going to school on it and I'm learning on my own. So I feel like if you guys want to do that as well, I can tell you guys what I do. So how I study anatomy is I go on Google or Pinterest and look up certain poses. I do tend to go on YouTube as well and look up other people's examples, like their videos on how they learned how to do anatomy. Some are simple and some are complicated. Not saying that, you know, it's more challenging basically on my end. So I tend to look up a few artists. I'll put them on the screen if I come across them. But those are the ones that I tend to look at to help me. But I know throughout over the years, I've been self-teaching myself how to do this. And one of the things on how I learn, one of the steps on how I do it is the shapes. Look at the body shapes. I do have a few tutorials myself already on my YouTube channel. I might remake them, like update them. So if you guys are interested in that, do let me know in the comments. But yeah, I learned by shapes and sizes and bit height difference. So that's one of the steps. Last but not least, I use the little models like I showed previously, like earlier in this video. So learn the different shapes, or you know, the different details, different sizes. I feel like I said that already, but it's okay to reuse the steps. So I do that. There are, I think there's one website, I can't think of another one, but if I come across it, I will put that on the screen. And if I don't, it'll probably be in the comments somewhere. Hopefully I do come across it because I haven't used it in a while. Do those steps, it'll help you out. Like I said, if you do need extra help, I am here to help you as well. I'll be making more videos on how I do it. But yeah, basically that's how I study it, is by looking at the image and imagining the shapes. Basically the easy shapes, which goes for like rectangles or squares, and then the ovals. Part of the muscle as well, I'm still learning on that, but like I said, I also got those booklets for a reason. So yeah, study it, go to your nearest library, maybe pick up a booklet. I bought mine off of Amazon. Not a bad price for those 2 books. But yeah, those are the easy steps of how I learned how to do it. But yeah, just take your time and practice it. Maybe practice at least once a day. I want to say maybe once or twice a day for like 10 minutes. That is pretty much all you need to study the anatomy. And later on, when you get to drawing like actual like pictures, not just sketches, but like full blown out characters, you'll get better at it. And you'll see that you're improving in your art. So yeah, just be patient, take your time, and don't forget to always, you know, look up examples in case you're stuck somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. I hope my video helped you out. If it didn't, do let me know, and I could probably add in a few more steps or a few more in-depth details in next upcoming video. But yeah, and with that being said, thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.